Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about new upcoming Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace 2023. Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace launch, it could arrive in India by April 10, 2023. Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace price, the facelift SUV is expected to be priced from 35 rupees lakh onwards, ex-showroom. Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace seating capacity, it will come in a 7-seater configuration. Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace powertrain, Volkswagen is expected to equip the facelift Tiguan Allspace with the same 2.0-liter turbo petrol engine, 190 PS/320 Nm, mated to a 7-speed DSG as before. It will likely continue with the all-wheel drivetrain. Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace features. The facelift SUV comes with an updated touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting, a digital driver's display, rain-sensing wipers, and 3-zone climate control. Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace safety features include 9 airbags, parking assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and tire pressure monitoring. The facelift model also gets travel assist, supporting the driver with steering, braking, and acceleration at speeds up to 210 km per hour. Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace rivals, it will take on the Mahindra Alturas G4, Toyota Fortuner, MG Gloster, Ford Endeavour, and 2021 Skoda Kodiaq. Specification of Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace 2023. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 1984 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Seating capacity 7. Transmission type manual. Body type SUV. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.